shit! You guys, it's all the same shit. So, no. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing this Gorga day? ¿Cómo estás this Gorga day? I'm hyper. But also, besides the point, I have a little haircut. If you guys watched my last video, you guys would have seen that me and my brothers cut my hair. You can't scare me like that! It's not the best. I'm well aware. You don't need to clock me in the comments. You don't need to clock this motherfucker. But it's not horrible. And we're just gonna have to live because I was desperate. And not just about boys, I was desperate about my hair too. Anyway, what is up you guys? So today's video, I'm so excited because I'm gonna be doing a Amazon mystery beauty box unboxing. And I'm excited about it because I did an eBay mystery beauty box unboxing and you guys seem to really enjoy it. And you actually gave me feedback to have no makeup on next time to do like a mystery unboxing so I can try some of the things on. So I'm like, oh my god, that's perfect. Hello, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I have no makeup on right now. And we have a mystery box from Amazon. Who would have thought that Amazon had mystery boxes? Mystery beauty boxes. Like, what don't they have? You could buy an organ. Huh, the Amazon black market. Or like things, weird things. Anyway, here I have my box. I have my little mystery box in here. By the way, I opened this because the box came like super up. And I was like, what the hell happened? What happened to this box? What's even in here? Because I've been ordering a lot of shit from Amazon during quarantine. And then I realized that it's the mystery box stuff, which is actually in this wrapping thing. So I'm like, wait, no, I can't open it. I can't show it until I do it on camera to see what we got together. But that's why the box is already open because I was like, what just came in? Like, is it fucked up? Like, what happened? Like, it's an accordion. Anyways, you guys, that's today's video is gonna be, as always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys don't like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. But if you guys do like this video, please don't give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Period! Let's get started on this Amazon mystery box unboxing. I love an Amazon mystery box. I mean, I don't know if I love an Amazon mystery box. I just love a mystery box in general. And we have this stuff in here. It's like a thing. By the way, this guy was $25 for the Amazon box. I'm obviously not expecting greatness from a $25 box. I was looking for other boxes and I could not find any other like mystery boxes that were like more expensive that would ship like at an orderly time because obviously in quarantine everything's shipping slow. So I was like, bitch, I'm not trying to order it like first week of April and get it like mid-May. You know what I mean? So I was trying to find a box that would actually ship in like a reasonable time. This is the one I found. So I'm not expecting the world. I'm just not. But I think that's what makes it a little bit more fun because it's like, what could actually come in a $25 mystery beauty box? Like, can't be much, right? I'm assuming it's gonna be drugstore items from this box. So let's just go ahead and open this bad bitch up. I'm scared. I feel like I'm cutting an umbilical cord. Why do I feel like that? I don't know, but it's what I feel. I can't help my feelings. Oh, it's like packed in a package.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Did I fuck up? I think I did. I ordered the wrong box. Why is it so packaged like so like intensely? Like this seems like very pre-planned. It wasn't just tossed in here. It was very like, we do mystery boxes and we're professionals. Okay, well, what if we don't like things that are in this box? You need to switch it up. This isn't cellophane. What the fuck? Okay guys, so first things first, we have 2 lashes. Cute. We have, these are from AMOR US, and AMOR US is that brand that you find in the alley, or you find it in like where you buy like $3 shirts and you find the lash section. That's AMOR. That's what that is. And you know what I'm talking about, I think. This is a human hair. Human hair. Please don't have crabs. It just says hashtag wisp. That's all it says on it is hashtag wisp. It doesn't say what it is. It just says hashtag wisp. I do think it's cute that we got 2 pairs of lashes. Next, we have a NABI. I don't know what this brand is. NABI. Essential Oil Lip, Coconut Oil Lip Gloss. We love a gloss in this house. Okay, we're gonna be trying that out. Next, we have this PANROSA. Why does this all feel very Mexican to me? We have AMOR US. We have PANROSA, or maybe I'm just saying it in a Mexican way. Like PANROSA. It just doesn't sound right. Like PANROSA just doesn't sound right. It sounds like PANROSA. Like the rosa candies that are like powder. I like those. Girl. Yes. Hello. Centella. I'm trying to speak it in like English. Centella face mask hydrating. PANROSA hydrating Centella mask helps rehydrate skin. It's a mask. Basically, it's a mask. Is what it is. It's a fucking mask. And they come with 2. Actually, comes with 2 in here. 2 in the mask. 2 in the mask. 2 in the box. I'm not gonna use this mask right now. Like honestly, realistically, I'm just not gonna do it. I don't want to put a mask on and wait 15 minutes. And we're not going to. Centella plants contain rich properties that will leave your skin feeling clean and deeply moisturized. Cool. So we have a Centella mask. We have something else from NABI, and this is a glitter, a face and body glitter. This is a very large, loose glitter, but it's pretty. It's like a nice, gorgeous copper. You know we love a copper in this house. Next, NABI. It's all the same shit! You guys, it's all the same shit. We have NABI eyeliner, NABI lip liner, NABI long-lasting lip gloss, NABI matte makeup setting spray. If I say NABI one more time, let's play a game. Drink every time I say NABI. You will be gone. You will be absolutely gone, withered away by the end of this video.
It's true.
Last item is a NABI 35 color eyeshadow palette. Rome. What in the Dollar General? Y'all couldn't give me some L'Oreal, some Maybelline, some NYX. You gotta give me NABI. Okay, packaging wise, this is like the old Morphe packaging. BH Cosmetics, Morphe stuff. 35 color, and it's a 35 color palette. That's very Morphe. But this is actually in square pans. This is not looking horrible, actually. That doesn't look horrible, but I know you're going into dark territory and you're gonna swatch right now, but you come back if you feel scared. So listen. So, no. Oh my God. Do you know what that fucking smells like? Do you guys remember like Crayola? How they would have those paint sets that you have to wet to activate, and it was like in a big like thing, and you would wet it and activate it? That's the exact smell of what this smells like. I have chills. I have goosebumps. I have fucking goosebumps with how horrible that smells. Also, so when I was watching it, yes, they look pretty on my hand. They do. However, they leave that nasty ass film on your fingers. That little gucky feeling on your fingers, that's what they leave. I just don't know if I want to put that on my eye. Honestly, it's like, made in China, of course. NABI. I've never heard of you. It seems like a legit company though. They have several products obviously, so I feel like I could still try it and be okay. I'm at a loss for words, and for me, that doesn't happen often. I promise you that. At a loss for words? Me? I always have a word. The words always come. Not right now. I'm just gonna put foundation on just so I can have some foundation on, like on my base. And then we'll use some of the products so we can like at least test it out and try it out and see what we think. I'm obviously not gonna do like the full face fantasy because I don't have a full face here, but I definitely have enough products here that I can try out and test and see what we think. So let me put some foundation on and I'll be right back. Oh, let's get it. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I just put some makeup on just so I can have some on because I needed some on so I can have some on. So since my lips are so crusty, I think we should just start off with the lip and then we'll move up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use the NABI. Have you guys ever heard of this brand? You guys have to let me know in the comments down below. If you guys have heard of this brand, if you guys have ever seen this brand, have you guys ever tried this brand? Because like literally the entire box is filled with NABI product. So obviously it must be inexpensive. From looking on the inside of it, you guys, it looks floppy. Like it's already like melted in the thing and like super tiny. Oh Lord. We finally got it off and that looks like a chode, like a baby chode. And we're gonna need to sharpen her on up to get any product out of that. Oh, at least it's like a sharpenable pencil, which I appreciate. Okay, we got it up. That's what he said. Okay, we're gonna use it, lip liner. So the formula, it's like a gel formula. It's super dry though, and it's like moving in the actual pencil itself. I'm assuming it says dried up and probably old and expired. Yeah, she is expired, the house down boots. You could tell, because she's dry. And I know it's dry and old because here, you can see little chunks of the lip liner. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What the fuck is that? Okay, yeah, expired the house down. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I wonder if this wasn't expired, if it would be like a really good, creamy, gel-like formula. This is the worst lip liner I've ever used. I don't know if it's expired. I don't know if it's dried out. I don't know, but it is truly the worst lip liner I've ever used. It skips, it's dry, it drags, it has product lifting everywhere. That was actually horrible. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try the long-lasting lip gloss matte. When brands come out with long-lasting lip gloss matte, why? are you titling it that? Why are you coming out with a product that's a long-lasting lip gloss that dries matte? It's counterintuitive. If it's a lip gloss, you would think it'd be like shiny and pretty and glowy, not mattifying. I don't understand. Back. Okay, we're gonna use the shade Q Pink from NABI. We have a matte lip gloss, long-lasting. Okay, it's okay. Oh my god, the Chismosa Pink. We are using a Chismosa Pink. And I don't like the Chismosa Pink. I mean, the cream is like pigmented. It goes on smooth. Who would have thought that we'd be here on this day? Oh, it's sticky. Whoo! Oh my god, it's so uncomfortable. Oh. You guys. This is unacceptable. What's in here? Horse glue? Wow. We're gonna go ahead and go in with the gloss now. The essential oil lip treatment gloss, so I can just stop being stuck to myself. I'm already here in quarantine. I'm already stuck to myself. I don't need it to be physically stuck either. So the gloss, obviously, don't look at me. Like, literally don't look at me.
Stop looking at me, Swan!
The gloss is obviously making it not sticky, and it feels like nice, actually. But overall, the lip is a hard flop. It is not gorga. No. A gimmick, not gorga. Wow. I might use this again, though. The Heals and Moisturizes Essential Oil Lip Coconut Oil. Or not. Or not. Or not. No, what am I thinking? Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow palette now. This is the one I'm the most scared of. Like, why am I doing this to myself? I don't know. We're just gonna use one matte and one shimmer because I literally can't. Like, I already feel like I'm gonna get some type of fucking infection or something. I don't even know. I'm gonna go with this camel color. Doesn't look bad. It wasn't too powdery or anything. Already primed my lids, by the way. Gonna go on a fluffy brush. I mean, she's there. She is absolutely there. That's not bad. Let me feel it more. Let me feel the mattes. The mattes actually feel really nice. They don't feel bad. They feel very, like, kind of chalky. Like, are they the best mattes in the world? Absolutely not. They remind me of, like, old Morphe shadows in the way of, like, they're not the best, but for the price, they're good for the price, like what they are. I'm actually gonna look up right now how much this palette is. Give me 1 second. Oh my god, but it doesn't fucking blend. Oh, I've never looked worse. I've literally never looked worse. The NABI Cosmetics Rome Color Palette retails for $10. So the palette's $10. Like, okay, so honestly, for 35 shades for $10, I mean, that's literally even cheaper than like the Morphe ones. So I think that it's not, I mean, is it great? No. No. But is it horrible? It's not horrible. Like, it's honestly, like, it's putting down color. You know what I mean? Like, it's definitely there, putting down color. There's pigmentation in them. It's not that bad. But $10, like, $10 is $10. Like, that's not that bad for 35 shades. If you want like a variety and you're not like the best with makeup and you're trying to learn how to use it and you want some shades to use neutral wise, this one probably wouldn't be the worst. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna try one of the shimmers on the lid. Like, that's kind of nice, dude. Actually, does it give you that weird film on the finger? Absolutely. And it doesn't like get fully deposited on the lid. However, for what it is, for $10, that's not horrible. Oh my gosh, is this our saving grace when I was actually the most scared of you? The smell is still horrendous, but this shadow is like not bad. It's chunky as fuck, yes, but it is pigmented and it's shiny and it does make a nice little lid color. Huh. You cannot be that mad at this for $10. Like, if it was like $20, I'd be devastated. But for $10, for this many shadows, I can't say I hate it. That's like a good deal, I guess you would get. Like a good deal for this many shadows. But would I ever use this again? Absolutely not. If you would rather just save your money, save your coin instead and save up for something better. Absolutely. Now we have the NABI again. The black. That's grease. That's grease. This is the greasiest eyeliner I've ever put on. Like, literally, when I say grease, it's like so shiny and like slick. It's like strange. But it's definitely going on. It's going on. So because it's like pretty greasy, you can blend it like pretty easily because it's not drying down fast at all. This would probably just be a good like base for another shadow to go on top of, but it's definitely not going to be a good standalone liner because it's so greasy. It's not going to last on the eye itself. Like look at how much like of the, oh my gosh, look how much of the shadow underneath is showing over the gel liner, like how much it's like not pigmented enough. So you have to basically layer this like what, 3 times just to get that shimmer away. No, it's just so greasy. God, I can't even like fathom how you could even wear this other than using it as just a base, like an all over the lid base or like a base of an eyeliner and packing shadow on top of it because there's literally no way else. This is not gonna last on your eyes. Same with the waterline because it's so greasy, it's not gonna stick to anything. Look, so I put it on here. Baby, that's gonna leave in an hour. That will not be on your waterline in an hour. No. Okay, why don't we just do a little spritz of the matte setting spray and call it a day. Doesn't smell bad. Spritz nicely. I'm actually not mad at the setting spray. I'm not mad at that. Okay, so this is the final look. Wow. You gotta admit, that was pretty fucking bad, you guys. I'm actually gonna look up the price of these things, add it up, and see what the total of the box could have been. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I like looked up everything from the site to see how much like everything would be if I were to put it together for a box. So it's gonna be, the palette's $10, setting spray is $5, that's $15, plus the lipstick, the matte lip gloss, I'm not calling it lipstick, is $3. The gloss is $2, so that's another $5 added. The lashes is probably like $1 each, so that's $22. The liner was $2, and the lip liner was $150, so that's about $25.50. For oh, and also the face glitter, I couldn't even find the face glitter on there, so it was probably $2. So like 27, 28 bucks added total. Oh, plus the fucking masks. We gotta add the mask. PANROSA. Can't forget PANROSA. All the items combined in the box ended up being around $30. And I paid $25 plus shipping from Amazon, which ended up probably being a little bit more than $30. So honestly, I got a little fucked on this box. I would definitely say the products obviously were not my cup of tea. They were not my cup of tea. They're not my cup of juice. They're not cup of water. Literally not my cup at all. No shade, but honestly, shade. They just weren't good. A lot of these products just did not perform well. And the fact that it's like, you would think that you'd get a better value in a mystery box, but I totally didn't. Like I kind of got like fucked over on this box for sure. But it was fun being able to test them out during like the unboxing. If you guys like this kind of video, let me know in the comments bar below and I'll definitely do more of them. But I would definitely recommend not get, I don't even know where I got this. Like I just bought it. It was like a little mystery box. Like I don't even know the link to where I bought it or anything, but I'm definitely not going to link it because I don't want you guys to have to buy this box or anything. I don't want you guys to even think of buying this box. It was horrible. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had fun watching this debacle and debauchery. I can't even believe like this is my face right now. Like I'm devastated. I will keep these though because these are cute and I can use them for something. So great rest of the night or day wherever you guys are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys, I love you. Mwah. It's an accordion. Okay, it's Brian here. Looking extra gay, looking extra David from Schitt's Creek right now with my little sweater. My desk is like so ugly and disorganized, it's not even funny. Like Laura would, I promise, roll in her grave. She'd be rolling. Now it's red. Now it's fucking red. Let's let it calm down. Come on, you're inflamed. Obviously it smells like Play-Doh. Honey. Honey. Some of these hairs are out of place, dude. I got the haircut bug.